Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get started using Printful with Big Cartel. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official bigcartel.com website right here and go ahead and sign up for an account if you do not have one already. After signing up guys, go ahead and log in, and then after logging in you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the info regarding your store. So guys, you can see at the top of the page we can see all the sections we can access, such as dashboard, orders, products, discounts, accounts, so on. And we have to go to our account option right here to see what our URL is. Here is our domain so that we will be able to connect it to Big Cartel and to our Printful account. So guys, now we want to go ahead and see our Printful account. So guys, go ahead now to printful.com and log into your account, and now you'll be greeted by the main page of Printful, which is this one. So guys, to get started with connecting Big Cartel, what we have to do is to go to the left side of the screen right here and look all the sections that we have. And as you can see here guys, now we will have this section right here that says stores. Go ahead guys and click on stores, and this will now open up this new website page where you can see you can connect a platform of your choosing. So guys, go ahead and click on choose platform right here. And now guys, this will take us to this page where we can go ahead and connect the platform we want. We can go ahead and scroll down until we find the Big Cartel option right here, as you can see. So here is Big Cartel guys, and now we can go ahead and click on connect. And click on connect guys. This will now take us to this new page where we can connect Big Cartel to our website. As you can see, click on the connect to Big Cartel button right here and log in with our account. So we have to connect to Big Cartel by clicking the button right here. And now just guys, go ahead and click on allow. And after clicking on allow guys, you will see that now, as you can see, product data is being synchronized and we have successfully connected Big Cartel to Printful. So yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it, and we have successfully done it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.